In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to round the corners of an image using Canva in just 5 minutes. It's a simple yet effective way to give your images a smooth, polished look. Whether you're preparing visuals for social media, a presentation, or just for fun, this technique can add a nice touch of style to your projects. So let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll want to head over to canva.com. If you're not logged in already, simply click on the login button located conveniently in the upper right corner of the home page. Canva offers a variety of ways to sign you in, making the process as seamless as possible. You can choose to log in using your Google account, Facebook, or your email credentials, whichever you find most convenient. And remember, having your credentials handy will speed up the process. Now that we're inside Canva, it's time to select the project you're working on. This might be an existing project you've already started, or perhaps you're creating something new. Navigate through your project panel and click on the one you want to edit. If you're still working on some blank canvas ideas, this could be a fun opportunity to explore Canva's creative potential. Next, you'll need to upload or select the image that you wish to modify. You can do this by clicking the Uploads tab from the left sidebar. From there, drag your desired image into the Canva workspace, or simply browse through your existing uploads to find the one you need. Once your image is placed neatly onto the canvas, we can move on to the next step. Direct your attention to the editor bar sitting just above the page. This is your toolbox in Canva, holding a variety of editing features at your disposal. Among these options, you're going to look for the corner rounding tool, which is visually represented by a small icon featuring a curve line. It should be straightforward to spot if you keep an eye out for it. Upon clicking this icon, a slider will appear, allowing you to adjust the roundness of the image corners. The beauty of this feature lies in its simplicity. By moving the slider, you can increase or decrease the level of curve applied to your image corners. Go ahead and experiment until the image corners are rounded to your liking. This adjustment can make your images appear softer and more refined, lending a unique aesthetic quality to your design. And there you have it, your image's corners are now rounded beautifully, adding an elegant touch to your project. This is just one of the many simple yet powerful editing techniques available in Canva. Whether you're designing for personal projects or professional presentations, knowing how to use these tools can greatly enhance your design projects. Enjoy exploring Canva and continue to unleash your creativity with these handy features.